Alright, so this is my fifth and final presentation of websites I found. I know, right as I was looking through this, I just happened to be scrolling through it. I know some other people did this, so I do apologize, but I found this one to be useful. But it's called Pathways to Success. Especially the first month of school. I know at our school it's been driven hard and pushed from the county and the state in Virginia to work on social emotional learning for students of the first month, helping them navigate through this tough time of learning virtually for the first time, being stuck with a computer all the time, also just living at home. Some of them live in terrible homes. I know some of my students, for example, it's better for them to be at school than it is at home, whether it's because they're away from their families or they actually get a meal every day, so on and so forth. I'm sure we all have those students in our classes that need to be at school. But I mean, the last 2 weeks of school that I've been in online, I mean, I've been working and just talking with them about social emotional learning. Not those the exact terms to them, but basically navigating how to handle this, how we're going to get through this. But the thing I liked about this was how it comes up with different activities. You don't even have to print them out. Some of them, they're just like things to talk about, like talking points, which is great, or little quotes and posters that may go a long way. One thing I really did like, and I may not be able to do it this year because we won't be in person, but next year maybe, hopefully, are these two: the coping strategies notebook and the anger management worksheets. So I mean, some of my students do have emotional disabilities as one of their primary disabilities in their IEP, and they all need reminders of how to cope with certain strategies, how to cope with certain stressors in their lives. We all do. But if I could make a notebook that lays out different scenarios and different techniques, I think that would be great, especially if it had pictures and whatnot. Same with anger management. I mean, these worksheets, I don't know if I'd use the worksheets directly, but I would definitely use them as like talking points to work with my students who have severe anger issues or anger management problems. So I mean, I did like that a lot. I mean, all of the info in this is great. A lot of it is really, really good stuff. So I'm telling you, like other people have done this one, I suggest using it. It does have its benefits, especially now when we're all navigating new waters and new territory. So thank you.